Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys I'm going to be showing you how to send money on Chase Mobile. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Chase application. So if you're on your PC, what you can do is open up chase.com. This is the main URL right here that you want to open up. And if you're on your mobile phone, just go and download the Chase mobile application and open it up. So once you're ready by the home page, now we can get started. The first thing we need to do is to log in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and get started with signing up for one. If you can enroll right here by clicking the sign up now button. That's going to take you to the next page from where you can get started with creating a personal account for yourself on Chase. Once you've gotten your account ready and set to go, you can go ahead and log in. We need to log in to be able to make payments, so go ahead and log in. And once you have done so, you're going to be greeted by the home page. This is how your main page is going to look on Chase Mobile once you have logged in. Right here at the bottom of the screen, you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, pay, plan, and so on. And how do you make payments? It's very easy. As you can see on this article right here on Chase, what we're going to do is to go ahead and open up the application and click pay and transfer. So pay transfer is located right here at the bottom of the screen. This is the section you want to open up. From there, you can get started with inputting where you want to send the money, the amount you want to send. Every information is going to be go ahead and fillable right here, so you can get started making your payments directly from the application itself. And that's how easy it is to do it. Just have a balance and you'll be able to pay anybody. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.